Hey there, are you dreaming of starting a business in the beautiful landscapes of Italy? Whether it's a charming bed and breakfast, a cozy cafe, an export hub, or a bustling retail shop, AukSun's online course, Doing Business in Italy, has got you covered. I'm super excited to introduce you to this comprehensive program, meticulously designed to guide expatriates just like you through the intricate process of setting up a business in Italy. This isn't just theory, it's crafted by individuals who've personally navigated these waters, so you're getting real-world, practical insights every step of the way. First things first, we dive into market identification and legal requirements. The program starts with a thorough analysis of the Italian market. Learn how to assess the viability of your business by considering Italy's agro-based market, seasonality, competition, and potential client base. This is crucial for making informed decisions and setting realistic expectations. Next, let's talk about the legal stuff. Choosing the right legal structure and a compliant business name is critical. AukSun guides you through preparing all the necessary credentials, like the Codis Fiscal for company directors. You'll also draft and notarize the articles and memos of association, outlining your business purpose and structure. This is essential for opening an Italian bank account and getting your operations up and running. Licenses, permits, and compliance, no worries. Depending on your business nature, specific licenses or permits might be required. AukSun's program provides detailed guidance on obtaining these licenses, ensuring full compliance with Italian regulations. From preparing documents to paying fees and obtaining a registered number and VAT registration, we've got you covered. Now let's talk business plans. A well-crafted business plan is vital for attracting shareholders, vendors, and suppliers. And the program assists you in drafting this essential document and connects you with existing businesses, innovative business ideas, and potential collaborative ventures. Networking opportunities are highlighted too, providing a platform to build valuable relationships within the Italian business community. And here's the best part. Early enrollment gives you a significant advantage. By joining the Doing Business in Italy program now, you get a jump start on understanding the complexities of the Italian business environment. This step-by-step approach ensures you're well prepared to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? AukSun's Doing Business in Italy online course is your ultimate guide to successfully setting up a business in one of Europe's most vibrant markets. With expert guidance, practical insights, and a wealth of resources, this program equips you with everything you need to turn your business dreams into reality. Enroll today and take that crucial first step towards a successful business venture in Italy. Let's make your dream a reality. Thanks for watching.